So next one is J. A butcher who is a Kohen and does not separate their priestly gifts and give them to another and give them to another Kohen, right? And it's placed under the ban until he gives them. Okay, so let's see. There are many commentaries. So let's see. A butcher who is a Kohen, 14. But not Kohen who slaughters his for his personal use. But not a Kohen. 1 second. I'm not sure what does it mean. Butcher who is a Kohen, it does not separate the priestly gifts. And says, but not a Kohen who slaughters for his personal use. Okay, no problem. And does not separate the priestly gifts. So HaShem gave some parts of the animal to Kohanim, right? So what is it? The foreleg, the jaw, and the maw. Maw is M-A-W, right? Which must be given to a Kohen from every animal slaughtered, right? So the foreleg is understandable. The jaw, it's mean not the jaw by itself, but with the tongue, right? That's very delicious. And more, I think it's like stomach, some parts of the stomach. Yeah, go ahead. Any questions? Somebody wants to talk, or could you put yourself on mute if you're not going to talk, please? Okay, no problem. So all of this priestly gifts, so we must give to Kohen, right? One second. Okay, so continue. It was 1:15. Continue. Next one. So one more time the whole sentence. A butcher who is a Kohen and does not separate the priestly gifts. So basically he's a Kohen and he wants to leave everything to himself. So if it would not be a Kohen, so he would give to other Kohanim. But since he's Kohen himself, he keeps everything, which is not right? And give them to another Kohen, right? And so he has to separate, give to another Kohen. Is placed and he does not do that. He's placed under the ban until he gives them. 1:16. Okay, so this from Hulin 132b. Continue. Next one is K. A person who violates the sanctity of the second day of the festival in diaspora, even though it's observed only by custom. Okay, so as we all know, in diaspora we observe 2 days, right? In Israel, except Rosh Hashanah, they observe only 1 day, right? So and second day is like we know for sure it's not a holiday, right? Because since we have a fixed calendar, so we know when 15th is, like. We know exactly. But since it is a custom that our sages said that we must abide by, right? To keep 2 days. So that's why we keep 2 days. Do we know when the holidays? Yeah, the holiday is the first one, but we treat both holidays exactly the same. There is some minor difference, but 99% of the laws are the same. So commentaries say the Or Sameach explained that Rambam added this clause because he had already stated that a person who disgraces a rabbinic ordinance is liable to be banned. Okay. So, I mean, that's why he calls it custom, I guess. Hence, he clarified that at present, since we use fixed calendars, the observance of the second day of the festival is no longer considered a rabbinic decree. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, so it's not a rabbinic decree, but it's a custom. But for us, it's like we keep it anyway, right? Okay, but it says Seal Hilchot Shviat Yom Tov 6:14. Okay, next one.